Welcome to a rare look behind the scenes at McDonald's, where a simple hamburger is anything but simple. With the recent launch of their best burgers ever, featuring softer buns, perfectly melted cheese. However, in late 2024, an E. coli outbreak tied to slivered onions on quarter pounders prompted a swift response, with the company removing the affected ingredients. Despite this, McDonald's continues to innovate, reintroducing the McCrispy snack wrap in 2025, with plans to expand to over 70 markets. Join us as we explore the craft and commitment behind each McDonald's hamburger, a symbol of the brand's dedication to quality. Part 1. Bun production. Mixing and kneading dough. In the world of McDonald's, the journey to the perfect hamburger begins long before the grill. It starts with the dough. Flour, water, liquid yeast, salt, and a carefully selected enzyme come together in massive industrial mixers, forming a dough that's smooth, elastic, and perfectly prepped for the next stage. This dough is more than just a basic mix. It's the foundation of the beloved buns, engineered for that signature soft texture. Kneading follows, transforming the dough into a consistent, elastic mass, setting the stage for fermentation. It's all about balance, timing, precision, and the right conditions to give each bun the structure and flavor that makes a McDonald's hamburger so universally adored. And yes, while the process may seem mechanical, every step is crafted to ensure the buns rise to the occasion, just like the burgers they support. Shaping, proofing, and baking. The transformation from dough to bun is an intricate process, ensuring every McDonald's hamburger bun achieves its perfect form. After the dough is shaped into individual portions, it undergoes a crucial proofing stage where it rests and rises, allowing the yeast to work its magic. This resting time is vital for the buns to achieve the right texture and flavor. After all, even dough needs a little me time. Once proofed, the buns are glazed with a protein solution, giving them that golden, shiny finish we all recognize. A sprinkling of sesame seeds adds both texture and flavor, completing the classic look. Then, the buns are carefully baked in a high-temperature oven at 240 degrees Celsius for 8 to 9 minutes, achieving that perfect balance of a crisp exterior and soft, fluffy interior. Because who wants a bun that's anything less than perfectly golden? Cooling, slicing, and packaging. After baking to golden perfection, the buns enter a cooling phase to preserve their soft, fluffy texture. They travel through a spiral cooling system, ensuring even cooling in an efficient, space-maximizing design. After about 27 minutes, the buns are swiftly sliced and prepared for the next stages. Once sliced, the buns are packaged to lock in freshness and sent to McDonald's restaurants. Special racks ensure the buns arrive intact, perfectly ready to be paired with juicy patties and all the fixings. No squashed buns on McDonald's watch, because no one wants their burger wearing a beret. Part 2. Patty production. Beef sourcing, grinding, and forming. USDA-inspected beef, consisting of 80% lean meat and 20% fat, is chosen for its perfect balance of juiciness and flavor. The beef arrives in large 2,000-pound boxes and undergoes a thorough inspection process within 48 hours to ensure top quality. This includes checking the surface of the meat and monitoring temperatures to maintain freshness. Once the beef passes inspection, it's ground to a precise consistency and chilled to -18 degrees Celsius, because keeping things cool is essential in the kitchen and in life. The ground beef is then mixed evenly before being stamped into patties, tailored to the size and shape needed for each burger. Finally, the patties are quickly frozen to preserve their quality, so when they reach McDonald's kitchens, they're ready to be cooked to perfection and delivered fresh. No fillers, no fluff, just the beef, exactly as it should be. Packaging and shipping. After being carefully frozen to lock in their freshness, the patties are packaged in hygienic, temperature-controlled environments. Each patty is stacked and wrapped to ensure it arrives intact and ready for cooking. Once packaged, the patties are carefully loaded onto trucks and transported to McDonald's locations worldwide, maintaining a consistent temperature of -4 degrees Celsius to preserve their quality during the journey. These frozen patties are handled with precision to prevent any damage, ensuring they retain their perfect shape and freshness by the time they reach the kitchens. Once they arrive, the patties are ready to be cooked, grilled, and assembled into the iconic McDonald's hamburgers customers love. Part 3. Lettuce, cheese, and condiments. Lettuce, cheese, and condiments are essential ingredients that complete the McDonald's burger experience. Freshly harvested lettuce is carefully washed and shredded, ensuring each leaf is clean and crisp, ready to add that perfect crunch. The cheese, known for its meltability and longer shelf life, is sliced with precision to fit perfectly on each burger, adding a creamy layer of flavor. As for the condiments, ketchup, mustard, and pickles, each one is pre-prepared with care. The ketchup is ready to be spread, the mustard pre-measured for that signature tang, and the pickles are sliced just right to give that burst of flavor. These components are ready and waiting, ensuring that once the patty meets the bun, the rest of the ingredients come together to create that iconic McDonald's burger taste. Because, let's be honest, a great burger isn't complete without that signature tang and crunch. Part 4. Final assembly. Toasting buns and grilling patties. The final touches involve a precise process of toasting the buns and grilling the patties. The buns, already perfectly baked and cooled, are placed in a high-efficiency bun toaster. This toaster ensures that the buns are heated to the ideal temperature in just 20 seconds, making them crispy on the outside while retaining their soft and fluffy interior. Meanwhile, the patties are cooked on a specialized clamshell grill designed specifically for McDonald's. This innovative grill cooks the patties from both the top and bottom simultaneously, no flipping required. In just 40 seconds, the patties are cooked to perfection, locking in all the flavors and juiciness. Speed and precision work together here, because at McDonald's, efficiency never comes at the expense of quality. Burger assembly, wrapping, and serving. Finally, assembly, where everything comes together in perfect harmony. First, the cooked patty is placed on the bottom bun, and then comes the lettuce, cheese, pickles, and the signature condiments, ketchup, mustard, or whatever your heart desires. It's less about building a tower of deliciousness and more about crafting a well-balanced bite, where crisp lettuce, melted cheese, and savory beef come together in perfect harmony. Once everything is in place, the top bun is added, and the burger is wrapped up with care. Within just about a minute and a half, it's all set to be served, ensuring that each bite is fresh, hot, and perfectly balanced. After all, who says you can't get quality and speed in the same bite? From the soft, golden buns to the juicy, perfectly cooked patties, every McDonald's burger is the result of precision, quality, and a little bit of behind-the-scenes magic. So, next time you unwrap that familiar burger, you'll know just how much care, and maybe a few conveyor belts, went into every bite. Which part of the burger-making process surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this look into the making of McDonald's hamburgers, stay tuned. Our next video will dive into the surprising process behind their world-famous fries. You won't want to miss it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're first in line for our next behind-the-scenes reveal.